storytelling, terrific insights. I've done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. Missing you. I miss you like any Wi-Fi misses a signal in the elevator, constantly and dramatically. I miss you like my phone misses a battery at 1%, panic mode activated. I miss you like my coffee misses a sugar, still good but something's definitely off. I miss you like clouds, miss the sun, a little gloomy but still hanging in there. I miss you like my playlist misses your favorite song, something just feels incomplete. I miss you like a snack, misses midnight cravings, very personal and urgent. I miss you like my shoes, miss walking, stuck but ready to move again. I miss you like a game misses its player after log out, waiting for a comeback. I miss you like my alarm clock, misses my motivation, always ignored but important. I miss you like my fries, miss ketchup, still okay, but way better together. I miss you like a phone misses signal in a tunnel, confused but hopeful. I miss you like my brain misses sleep, constantly thinking about it. I miss you like a cloud misses rain, full of emotions but waiting to release. I miss you like a chair misses someone sitting, just standing there lonely. I miss you like my favorite show misses new episodes, refreshing every day, keeping for more. I miss you like a pen, misses paper, ready to create memories again. I miss you like a pizza, misses cheese, as something essential is missing. I miss you like my heart misses good Wi-Fi, disconnecting at the worst time. I miss you like a phone misses a charger at 2%, stress level maximum. I miss you like a joke, Mrs. Laughter, waiting for a reaction. I miss you like my shoes, Miss Socks, awkward but still functional. I miss you like a calendar, Mrs. Holidays, just counting days. I miss you like a car, Mrs. Fuel, stuck but still trying. I miss you like a camera, Mrs. Memories, ready to capture again. I miss you like a music, Mrs. Volume, quiet but full of feelings. I miss you like a river misses flow, just waiting to move again. I miss you like a phone misses updates, slightly outdated but still working. I miss you like a story misses an ending, unfinished without you. I miss you like I miss my last snacks, and that's saying a lot.